Good evening, dear children. Today we will learn email. What is email? Email is electronic mail where you can send and receive messages over the internet. For that, you must have an account online. For accounts, what you need? A computer with internet access, an email account with service provider such as Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail. These all are the service providers who provides a service for us. So now let's see choosing an email provider. Before, as I said, provider, here email provider. Most common are Hotmail means Microsoft, Gmail, Google, Yahoo Mail, Yahoo. For this class we will be using Yahoo, who is providing a service. How to set up your account? Parts of an email address: username and domain. What is username? What is domain name? Let's see. Example, snoopy@yahoo.com means what? Here username is Snoopy, or else you can create your own. Like for computer we can say shortly com@yahoo.com, or else different name, unique name you can give. Add symbol unique to the email address. Shift key +2 separate the username from domain. After that, who provides email? That like Gmail, Google, Yahoo. So now we are taking Yahoo. Domain name means .com. Domain names are based either on the type of organization or geographical area. There are different types of domain name like .com, commercial organization, .government, government organization, .net, large network. These are some types of domains. Now password. Something easy to remember means you have to keep one password which is very easy to remember but difficult to guess. Someone should not guess your password. Do not use sensitive information such as SSN, bank pin, etc. Usually you can keep letter and number combination. Means what? Combination of letter and number, which is very easy to remember. Verification question in case you forget your password may be required on accounts. Now let's set up our account. Login into www.yahoo.com. You will see the home page of Yahoo. In that, click on create new account. Before creating account, be sure that you have username and password be ready and fill the blanks as it required. When finished, create new account. Let's compose an email. Click on new. Have email address ready for the person to receive your email. Now parts of an email. There you will see some parts when you will open your email. 2. Enter the exact email address of your recipient. Remember, name at provider.domain means anyone name, at provider means Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft. Domain means what? .com, .organization, .government, .in. For multi-recipient, separate each address with a comma. CC, in that you will see CC means what? Carbon copy. BCC, blend carbon copy. Subject means if you are sending the any message, for that the main is subject. Suppose if you are writing a letter, for that what purpose you are writing, what is the subject of your letter, that is very important. Parts of an email. There are some parts where you can write means body, the message of your mail, what the message you are going to give. Attachment, if you are using some file, photos or anything else. Sending an email. Communication can be tough with written correspondence. No body language or facial cues to help send the tone properly. Can be easily misunderstood. Attach a file from a flash drive. Always check your spelling before sending your message. Next, click on send to mail your letter. Message will now appear in your sent folder. Once an email is sent, you cannot stop it or take it back. Want to check your message? Check your sent box now. Check your inbox for your BCC. Now draft email Means what? When creating an email, the computer will automatically save your work periodically. If for any reason you should be interrupted, that is lapse in internet connection or anything else, where it will save your mail letter. That is, we call it as draft emails. Next, receiving email. If you have any message, you should see them listed in your inbox. At the top of each message is a header with the information about the sender and how to receive the message. If you have any messages, you should see them listed in your inbox. At the top of each message is a header with the information about the sender. Receiving email from snoopy@yahoo.com to you@yahoo.com. CC carbon copy, subject means what subject, on what subject you are sending, date. These all are the some informations about the receiving an email. Next, we will look into the replying to an email. Reply, there is two types, reply and reply all. When you click on reply, your message will automatically be sent to the person who sent you to the email from field in the header. When you click on reply all, your message will automatically be sent on the person who sent you the email and everyone in the CC field in the header. Forwarding an email. When you click on forward, you may share the email you have received by sending it to the others, where you can send your emails to others. You may add your own message before sending. Enter the TOs and CC if using. Click on send, then your message will be sent. Opening attachment. Usually photos or documents are attached. If you don't know the sender, do not open the attachment. Save and open the attachment file dialog box. Deleting email. Once you have read an email, you should decide if you want to save a file or if you want to delete. Click on delete to send the email to the trash can delete folder. The message disappears from your list of your message, but it is not truly deleted. So if you make a mistake, you can get the message back. Once you exit the program, the messages are usually deleted for good. Privacy, viruses and spam. Privacy, CC versus BCC. Viruses, never open attachment from unknown sender. Safety, never send a personal financial information via email, even if it looks like a request from your bank or financial institution. Delete. Click on report spam box on Yahoo. Chatting. This is a real-time communication with no delay, usually done with those you know online. Be selective who you chat with, as with spam and phishing scam can occur with chatting as well. The most important is sign out. If you open your account in someone's PCs, then be sure to log off the account before shutting down. That's all about creating an email. Thank you.